Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to show network speed on oppo phone. Friends, you want to show your phone network speed, your mobile network speed, friends, your Wi-Fi network speed. So how to show Wi-Fi network and mobile network speed today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, then scroll it and then click on your oppo phone notification and status bar setting. After on phone notification and status bar, friends, you can see manage notification setting. Friends, you want to off your any app notification, you can off from here. Friends, you want to off your log screen notification, so then you can off your log screen notification here. Friends, click on don't show. So friends, you can see status bar setting, battery percentage first. Since you don't want to show battery percentage on status bar, you can off, and you want to show your battery percentage, so you can on from here. Friends, we'll click on real time network speed. After on, you guys now turn on your phone mobile network, and friends, turn on your Wi-Fi and you can check friends your network speed on your status bar. Friends, now you can use your network speed. Friends, you can check your Wi-Fi network speed, and friends, when you will on your mobile data, so you can check your mobile network speed. And friends, you don't want to show guys this network speed on status bar, so you can off. Friends, you can see this network speed will off. When I will off from here, network speed will not show on status bar. Friends, you want to show, so friends, click here and you can use your network speed, real time network speed on your oppo phone device. So friends, I don't want to use battery percentage setting and network speed setting, so I will off both of settings. So like that friends, we can show network speed on status bar, and friends, you don't want to show, so you can off it. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubts, so you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.